Tutorial number 2.
Now, let's do something fun. Ready? Actually, because Mac is working on the short vowels, and they are very prominent on her box, we're going to teach you some tricks to remember the short vowel sounds. These get our bodies active too. They are fun. Hey, Mac, what does short A make? What sound does short A make? Ah. If you have
Relax back.
Relax back. Relax back. That's the sound of short A. What sound does short E make?
Happy smile.
We call it the happy face vowel. Can you say short E without smiling? I think it's impossible. Try. Can you do short E without smiling? You're smiling. Doesn't work so well. The happy face sound. What does short I make?
Stinky vowel.
It's the stinky vowel. Okay, here's one of my favorites. What do you say when you go to the dentist?
Oh.
Open up and say, ah. That is the sound of short O. Ah. And the last one, what does short U make? We call this one the hit your tummy vowel.
It's a joke.
It's a joke. We call this the hit your tummy vowel. Just be careful you don't hit your tummy too hard. I had a student once who hit her tummy really hard. Short A, relax back. Short E, the happy face. The happy face vowel. The happy face vowel. Short I, the stinky vowel. Short O, open up and say,
Oh.
and short U, the hit your tummy vowel. That's our lesson for today on the short vowels. Thanks for joining us, where tiny steps have
Big
big effect.